Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're diving into Coach, the iconic brand you've seen everywhere. We're uncovering 15 surprising facts you probably didn't know. Coach's story is full of family drama, baseball inspiration, and plot twists. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our deep dives. Ready? Let's jump in. 15 surprising facts about Coach. Let's go! Coach began in 1941 in a small Manhattan loft. Founded by Lillian and Miles Kahn, it was a family-run workshop. Their focus? Top-quality leather goods, not a global empire. With just 6 artisans, they crafted wallets and billfolds by hand. That humble loft was the birthplace of a fashion powerhouse. What made Coach's leather special? Baseball gloves. Miles Kahn was inspired by the soft, durable leather of a well-worn glove. He created glove-tanned cowhide, Coach's signature material. The result? Bags that age beautifully and tell a story. Coach began as Coach Leatherware, but as it grew, the name changed. Dropping Leatherware signaled bigger ambitions, beyond just bags. The new name, Coach, opened doors to fashion, fragrances, and more. Sometimes, less really is more. The Kahns built Coach, but in 1985, they sold it to Sara Lee, the cake company. Under CEO Lou Frankfurt, Coach became an accessible luxury brand. Coach later went public and acquired Kate Spade and Stuart Weitzman. The parent company became Tapestry Inc., a true transformation. Coach's journey is full of unexpected twists. Coach's obsession with craftsmanship never faded. Hand finishing, precise stitching, and quality hardware set their bags apart. That dedication to detail is their secret sauce. Even today, Coach stands for quality you can feel. Coach's growth exploded with a smart strategy. Flagship stores for luxury, outlets for accessibility. They created outlet-only products, reaching new customers at lower price points. This dual approach made Coach both aspirational and attainable. It was a game changer. Coach became a household name. Every iconic brand needs an it bag. Coach has had several. The duffel sack in the 70s, the tabby bag today, each became a phenomenon. Coach reinvents must-have styles in new colors and editions. Their bags capture the moment and keep fans coming back. It's a masterclass in desire and design. Coach knows how to make a bag legendary. Coach's secret weapon? Their design archives. They reissue and update classics, blending nostalgia with new trends. Coach Originals revives vintage hits for today's fans. Coach proves great design never goes out of style. Coach isn't just handbags. They expanded into wallets, footwear, and watches. The goal? A complete Coach lifestyle. Dropping leatherware, let them own your look. It's about building a world, not just a bag. Coach turned to celebrities, partnering with stars like Selena Gomez and Michael B. Jordan. These collaborations revived Coach's pop culture presence. High-profile campaigns refreshed the brand. Coach became must-have again. The celebrity effect worked wonders. Coach is focusing on sustainability. Their Coachtopia line uses recycled materials and eco-friendly tanning. They offer bag trade-ins for recycling or refurbishing. Coach is building for the next 80 years. Coach's biggest growth? Asia. They tailored products and marketing for China, Japan, and South Korea. Local celebrities and social media made Coach a hit. Asia is now a powerhouse market for the brand. Coach is truly global, not just American. That's how you scale a legacy. Coach loves collaborations, lots of them. From Bape to Disney to Basquiat, their limited edition drops create buzz and sell out fast. Each collab brings new energy and keeps the brand playful, even after 80 years. Coach proves fashion can be fun and fresh. The iconic C logo, instantly recognizable. Introduced in 2001, it fueled Coach's early 2000s boom. Overexposure led to a pullback, but now it's back, more refined. The C's journey mirrors Coach's reinvention and resilience. That single letter tells a big story. Coach walks a fine line, luxury and accessibility. Runway collections build prestige. Outlets drive volume. The challenge? Stay aspirational, not lose exclusivity. Balancing both sides is tricky, but Coach makes it work. That's their secret to decades of success. Few brands can master this business model. That's a wrap. 15 things you now know about Coach. From a tiny loft to a global empire, their story is all about vision, craft, and smart moves. Next time you spot that C, you'll know the legacy behind it. Hit like and subscribe for more brand deep dives. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you next time.